All right, so what we did first, we got us a little cloth that I had from Joann's or something like that on sale. And then we need a poster board. And right now we just kind of just making it a makeshift. We hadn't already done the gluing and stuff like that to make sure it stay on there. I just kind of put it on there right now. Okay, so we got all of our edge pieces right here, and then we have the rest of the pieces right here.
Yeah, we gotta fix them.
Yes, we're gonna fix them. But the reason why this one has so many edge pieces is because this one is long. See, it's long this way. Okay?
Not a square.
All right, so Kaylin says she wanted to start with, which one you say you're gonna start with?
Her face.
Yes, her face. Okay, so just put it right here. This can be our working space. All right, and she chose that piece because now we can work around it. So now we need to find the rest of her face. Okay? You got one already?
Yeah, see?
Okay.
Her
All right. Okay. So this is what we already did this part, but what this is, we just got a piece of cloth for the cover, you know, the board, and then we just have a regular piece of poster board. Okay.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna do show us what we're gonna do, Kayla.
Her face. So
Rapunzel. We're gonna do Rapunzel and her little friend. Okay.
Yeah. You can camouflage, and he can turn different colors.
Oh, cool. Okay, so we already separated the edge pieces here, and then we have the rest of the pieces. And you said that you wanted to start with what?
Her face.
Okay, she wants to start with her face. And why do you want to start with her face?
Because I like her face because she's so beautiful, so I want to go make her face.
Okay. And also a good thing with starting with her face is now we have some stuff that we can, you know, look for. So now we know we have to finish her face so we can start building on that. Okay. All right. Awesome. Oh, it's looking good already. All right.
I'm going to start with her face.
Rest of her face?
Yeah, her mouth.
Okay, that's the one that I was going to show you. But you already found it. All right, cool. So that's coming along really good. All right, so is she missing a little bit more pieces of her face? I was just moving it so we can see it.
Her hair.
Her hair? Okay. Was that? No. See, we got to look back at our reference because that looks like
a little Rapunzel baby.
All right, cool. You looking at the reference? We'll do a few more pieces and then we'll come back.
So,
Yeah, so we're coming along.
Yeah. We're coming along with, look at that, look at that.
Yeah. All right.
Mommy did that part and I did this part.
Yes. All right, so let's keep going.
Yeah. So, we need to do that, then that, then that, then that, then that, then that.
So he's done.
So she's not done like him, because he don't have no eyelashes.
Yeah. All right, so we almost got it.
Yeah, so we did that. See? We did that, guys.
Yeah, we're almost done. We just have these little pieces left.
Next up, we're gonna do...
No, we gotta finish this first. All right, come on, let's finish this. So now we're almost finished. Just making sure we get the last piece. You got it?
So guys, we almost done like that. See, but we almost done like this.
Okay, so put the last piece in. All right.
Well done. Now let's do the matching game.
Okay, that's so good. What do we make?
The Africa.
What? Africa. That right there is the United States of America. But we did Rapunzel.
Yeah, her little friend.
Yeah, tamed. What about about Tangled. Whatever they call that movie now. So next time what we'll do is actually have this ironed down, okay? So, you know, we can have like a surface,
And
you know,
I'm gonna open
all of that.
this.
We can have a surface to do this on. And I know you're probably wondering, why did I do that? But this is why, because this is going to be called like a DIY puzzle saver, okay? So when you get ready to do a puzzle again, say you got like a 500 piece, 1,000 piece or whatever, and you don't want to finish it all, so you just roll it up like this, and then we're going to take it out. And then when you unroll it, it saves your puzzle. So I'm going to show you that again. You just roll it.
Yeah. Roll it.
Roll it, and make sure you roll your puzzle in it.
Roll it.
Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. And you can put like a rubber band on it or something like that.
So it can
I'll show you another way it look like the finished product of it. So, and now, okay, let go. And we just unroll it carefully. And your puzzle is still puzzly.
Yeah,
All
no.
right. So you done this before, but when you glue this down or whatever you want to do to it, you want to leave some fabric at the end so you can fold it over. So when you do stack this up, your puzzle doesn't fall out the bottom. Okay? All right. Got my little crafting iron, and all I'm going to do is iron this right here. And then I'm going to hot glue it on the poster board. Okay? And what I do suggest is gluing a little bit at a time. So I just got this part right here glued, and that way I can straighten it out like that. Okay, so just do a little bit at a time to make sure it's super straight, and go back over it with that. All right, so once you finish all that and you roll it, you can actually put a rubber band on it, or you can like tie a piece of yarn on it or something like that. Yeah, there you go. Our DIY puzzle mats or puzzle saver, whatever they're called, that's what we're going to use it for. All right. Yes, thank you.